Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Sketch Color. To begin, simply select any design element like a shape or text. You'll then see the color picker appear in the Inspector panel on the right. Here, you can easily choose a new color using the color wheel or input specific hexadecimal values. Don't forget the eyedropper tool, which lets you sample any color from your artboard with just one click, making color matching incredibly simple and fast. Moving on to more advanced techniques, gradients can add depth and visual interest to your designs. You can easily create linear or radial gradients, adjusting their direction and stops for a perfect blend. For project-wide consistency, define global colors. Changing a global color updates every instance it's applied to, saving you significant time. Also, explore color variables for dynamic theming, allowing for quick palette swaps. Once you've mastered the controls, it's time to explore the vast world of geometry dash levels. From the main menu, you can access the official levels, which gradually increase in difficulty. For an endless supply of challenges, head to the online section. Here, you'll find millions of user-created levels, ranging from easy to nearly impossible. Use the search bar to find specific levels or browse by difficulty, popularity, or recent uploads. Finally, let's talk about organizing and sharing your color work. Save your custom color palettes as document colors, making them readily available for any new elements you create. You can also group colors logically within the color picker for better management. For team projects, export your color styles as a shared library. This ensures everyone uses the exact same colors, maintaining brand consistency across all designs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.